Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated thank you notes via SMS after payment via Razorpay. So here I'm using Razorpay as my payment gateway, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment through my Razorpay, then automatically an automated SMS should be sent to my customer through an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Razorpay with my Twilio using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send a thank you SMS via Twilio after a successful Razorpay payment. This helps you make customers feel valued and build better relationships without any manual effort. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Razorpay account, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new payment through my Razorpay payment pages, then automatically an automated SMS should be sent to my customer as a thank you note through a SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Razorpay account with my Twilio account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a new test payment over here using our Razorpay payment page. So this is a Razorpay payment page, and here you can see our payment is in a test mode, and here I've pre-filled some details over here. So now here I'm going to make a test payment first. Here I'm going to select the payment method as UPI, and here I'm going to add a test UPI ID, and then I'm going to click on this verify and pay. And here you can see we have successfully made a payment over here. And now after making the payment, what we are going to do is that I'm going to show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone for this particular payment made. So let me attach a screenshot. Alright, so here you can see the message that we have received on my phone number that says, sent from your Twilio trial account, thank you dummy user. We have received your payment, your order is confirmed, ABC company. So this is a very basic message that I've sent, and here you can see it says sent from your Twilio trial account, because here I'm using a trial account, but if you're using a paid account, then you're going to receive, then your customers are going to receive the normal SMS over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation, and now here we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting a Razorpay with your Twilio account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and now here before we move forward, let me tell you that this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges. It's an active, supportive space to learn and grow together. The link to join the community is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so now moving back to Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow, so I'm going to give the name as send automated thank you notes via SMS after payment via Razorpay. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Razorpay, as I'm receiving new payments through Razorpay, and here I'm going to select my trigger event as payment captured, so that whenever a payment is captured through my Razorpay, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and from here I'm going to click on this developer option given over here, and from here I'm going to select the webhooks. And here under webhooks, I'm going to click on this add a new webhook button given over here. And here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And here for the active events, I'm going to select the event as payment captured. And then I'm going to click on this create webhook. And it says webhook saved successfully. That means we have successfully added a new webhook over here in our Razorpay. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to make a test payment in our Razorpay. And here I'm going to open a Razorpay payment page over here in a new tab, and here we are going to make a payment and here we are going to make a test payment for the same. So let me tell you that I want to capture the response for each and every payment received through Razorpay and send the automated SMS for all the payments. So here you can see the amount has been fixed over here. Here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as test user. Here I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter the phone number, that is a random phone number. Here for the product, I'm going to select the product, and then I'm going to make the test payment similarly. So here you can see the payment is in the test mode. So I'm going to select the method as UPI, and here I'm going to enter the test UPI ID, and then I'm going to click on this verify and pay. And here you can see the payment has been successful over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful payment where we have received the product name, phone number, email address, customer name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up the trigger over here. So now after receiving a new payment through our Razorpay payment page, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send the automated SMS to my customer for the successful payment. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to connect a SMS sending application with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm using the action application as Twilio, that is a SMS sending application, and here I'm going to select the action event as send SMS message, as I'm going to send the SMS message. And now here to connect my Twilio with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the account SID, authorization token, and account SID once again. So now here to get all these details, let me take you to my Twilio account. So this is my Twilio console window, and here we are going to scroll it little down, and here in the account info you can see the account SID, authorization, and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy the account SID and authorization token, and I'm going to add both of the details in my Pabbly's workflow. So let me do it. Alright, so here I've successfully added the details, and then I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then he's asking me for the body of the SMS. So I need to enter the SMS body that I want to send to my customer. So let me add the body. Alright, so here you can see the SMS body that I've entered that says thank you name, we have received your payment, your order is confirmed -ABC company. So now here in the place of this name, I'm going to enter the customer names. So now here instead of entering the name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive new payment through a Razorpay, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to search for the name. So this is the name. Moving forward, and here it is asking me for the sender number and the recipient number. So here for the sender number, I need to enter my Twilio phone number. So this is the Twilio phone number that I've received. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the sender number. Now after entering the sender number, it is asking me to enter the recipient number. That means here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send the SMS. So for that, I'm going to map the phone number that I've received through this payment over here. But here, as you all know, that the number that we have entered over here is a test number, and here for receiving a SMS, I'm going to add my own phone number so that I can receive the SMS over here. So let me add my own phone number. Alright, so I've successfully added the number, and then I'm going to click on the save and send as request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent the message. And now here let me show you the screenshot of the message that I've received on my phone. And here you can see the SMS that we have received that says send from your Twilio trial account. Thank you test user, we have received your payment. Your order is confirmed. ABC company. So with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if we have selected trigger as Razorpay and action as Twilio, so that whenever you're going to receive new payment through a Razorpay, then automatically an automated thank you SMS is going to be sent to our customer through a SMS sending application, that is Twilio. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send automated thank you notes via SMS after payment via Razorpay. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.